If you need help saying or, check out my video for R. You'll be starting with a rounded lip and your tongue a little bit more forward, and then follow instructions for R. Let's practice with phrases with or as the first part of one of the words in our phrase. Repeat after me. Purple orchid. Orange slice. 2 Oreos. Orbiting planet. Drive-through order. Orca whale. Christmas ornaments. Blue orb. Organic produce. Important organ. Now the or sound will be in the middle or medial position of one of our words in our phrase. Copy me. Forest ranger. Sheet fort. Weather forecast. Shiny quarter. Unicorn horn. Brown horse. Her forehead. Jean shorts. Small airport. Charger cord. Now, the or sound will be the last sound that you hear in one of the words of our phrase. Repeat after me. Sandy shores. Sparkly anchor. Mouse choir. Spiced flavor. Great actor. Working escalator. Clean refrigerator. Dangerous alligator. Pour water. Great job working hard. Also, I want to remind you, sometimes we say sounds differently because we have different accents. That's okay. Do your best. I'll see you soon. Bye.